It's JJ's Arm Drop, August the 7th at Gleason Raceway Park in Tennessee.
How much is the racer entry, JJ?
It's gonna be free entry.
And how much can they win?
$5,000 guaranteed, big time. It's not only JJ's Arm Drop, it's the grand opening of Gleason Raceway Park. Kids get in free. We're gonna chop it up and have a blast.
Not to mention JJ's birthday himself. So hey, we're gonna have a bash. Come on out and join us and let's have a blast.
Gleason Raceway Park is the place to be August 7th. You can get your tickets now from the link below. Let's bring in JJ's birthday right.